Now this is the observation and calculation for this same practical to calculate the frictional factor for a given pipes. This is the serial number 1, 2, 3 and 4 for aluminum, GI, copper and mild steel pipe. Second is a manometric fluid column in terms of mercury, which is X H2 minus H1. H2 minus H1 का जो डिफरेंस है वो हम एज अ मैनोमेट्रिक फ्लूइड कॉलम इन टर्म्स ऑफ मरकरी के में ले रहे हैं. नाउ वी नीड टू कन्वर्ट दिस फ्लूइड कॉलम इन टर्म्स ऑफ वाटर बाय मल्टीप्लाइंग 13.6 into it. तो वी विल गेट सेकंड HF means head loss in terms of water column, because the fluid is flowing water in our operators. Now third one is rise of water level in centimeter. We have fixed this level as a 2 centimeter for each and every set of reading. Now this is the time required for the 2 centimeter rise of level for aluminum, GI, copper and mild steel. Time taken in case of aluminum is 30 seconds, in case of GI 25 seconds, in case of copper 28 seconds, in case of mild steel it's 27 seconds. Now after noting this time, we need to calculate the discharge, corresponding discharge for aluminum, mild steel, copper and GI pipe. For that we know that the area of tank is 45 by 45 centimeter square. Since we have area, we have rise in level, we have a time, so with the help of these three data we can calculate the discharge by multiplying area into rise in level divided by time. So हमें फर्स्ट केस का डिस्चार्ज मिल गया. अब हमें फर्स्ट केस का डिस्चार्ज मिल गया तो वी कैन कैलकुलेट द वेलोसिटी ऑफ फ्लूइड विच इज़ फ्लोइंग अंडर दिस केस. तो हाउ? बाय discharge divided by its area. Area means how you will calculate area. It is area of pipe. Diameter of pipe is given, which is 12.7 centimeter. So you can get the velocity by dividing discharge to its area, which is pi by 4 d1 square. Similarly x2 हमें मालूम है, manometric fluid column in terms of mercury, we need to convert it into water column. Rise in level again same 2 centimeter. Time required to rise 2 centimeter in case of GI pipe 25. And now we need to calculate discharge, and after calculation discharge you can calculate velocity of fluid against this case. Similarly we will repeat the same thing for copper and mild steel also. Now with the help of all these things you can calculate the frictional factor, frictional resistance, frictional factor acting over here. Since we know that this formula HF equals to 4FLV square upon twice GD. F is a friction factor which we need to calculate. L is a length of pipe. V is a velocity of fluid. G is a gravitational acceleration, and D is a diameter of pipe. Since therefore F equals to HF into twice GD upon 4LV square. Let us assume pick first set of reading, which is for aluminum pipe. Now for aluminum pipe पुट द HF एज अ HF1 जैसा हमने यहाँ पे लिया है, ट्वाइस जी D1 की जगह एलुमिनियम का डायमीटर, एंड डिवाइडेड बाय 4L मीन्स लेंथ ऑफ एलुमिनियम पाइप मल्टीप्लाइंग बाय वेलोसिटी का स्क्वायर. तो यू विल गेट फ्रिक्शनल फैक्टर with the help of this formula. We will repeat for the same thing for GI, copper and mild steel pipe and calculate the frictional factor acting over there. Thank you.